Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're counting down 5 impressive wearable breast pumps designed to make pumping more convenient, comfortable, and efficient for busy parents. From smart app-controlled models to innovative heating and massage technologies, these pumps offer a wide range of features for modern lifestyles. Let's get started. Number 5. Paruu P20. The Paruu P20 is an ultra-lightweight wearable breast pump designed for moms who need freedom to move throughout the day. Weighing just 245 grams, it fits discreetly inside a nursing bra while delivering powerful performance. The pump features 4 customizable modes, including stimulation, expression, lactation, and traction, along with 12 suction levels that can be adjusted to your comfort preferences. A transparent milk container and built-in LED display make it easy to monitor both pumping time and milk volume without removing the device. Powered by a 1,350 mAh battery, the P20 can provide up to 180 minutes of operation, while its BPA-free silicone construction and leak-resistant design help ensure comfort and hygiene. Number 4. Momcozy S12 Pro. The Momcozy S12 Pro is a wearable pump built for convenience and efficient milk expression. Featuring smart app connectivity, it allows users to adjust settings, monitor battery life, and control sessions directly from a smartphone. The pump delivers suction up to 292 millimeters of mercury and offers 3 pumping rhythms with 9 adjustable suction levels. Its double-fit flange combines soft silicone and a firm outer structure to provide both comfort and a secure seal. The streamlined design uses only a few components, making assembly and cleaning simple. With whisper-quiet operation under 46 decibels and enough battery life for multiple daily sessions, the S12 Pro is designed to fit seamlessly into busy routines. Number 3. eufy S2 Pro. The eufy S2 Pro introduces several advanced technologies aimed at improving pumping comfort and efficiency. Its unique VibraPump technology uses vibrating massage discs, while HeatFlow 2.0 provides gentle warmth around the breast. These features work alongside strong suction capabilities and highly customizable pumping programs. Through the companion app, users can create personalized pumping rhythms and independently control heat, massage, and suction settings. The see-through design includes a built-in nipple light for easier positioning during nighttime sessions. Additional features include overflow protection and a premium magnetic charging case that can keep the pump powered for several days. Number 2. Willow Go. The Willow Go is a fully hands-free wearable breast pump that combines portability with hospital-grade suction performance. Designed to fit comfortably inside a nursing bra, it uses ComfortFlow technology with a specialized flange shape to help maximize comfort during pumping. The pump provides 2 pumping modes and 9 suction levels, reaching up to 295 millimeters of mercury of suction power. Reusable containers hold up to 5 ounces of milk per side, with larger options available separately. Bluetooth connectivity allows users to control settings and track pumping data through the Willow app. Dishwasher-safe parts and a simple assembly process make maintenance quick and convenient. Number 1. Momcozy M5. The Momcozy M5 is a compact wearable breast pump designed to deliver a natural and comfortable pumping experience. Weighing just around 232 grams, it remains discreet under clothing while offering impressive functionality. Its baby mouth suction technology is engineered to mimic a baby's natural feeding rhythm, supported by gentle micro-vibration technology that may help encourage milk flow. The M5 features 3 pumping modes and 9 suction levels, giving users flexibility to customize each session. Through the companion app, parents can remotely adjust settings and monitor pumping progress. The package also includes multiple flange sizes and a durable travel case, making it ready for use at home or on the go. That wraps up our list of 5 impressive wearable breast pumps. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and product roundups. We'll see you in the next video.